Hey everyone, my name is Susan, and today I'm going to be doing a little big unboxing video that I went for from Walmart. And I got these two little keychains from the little blind bag. I got Olaf and Mary. They're so cute. The only thing I had an issue with is Olaf had like some white, yellow stuff on it, but that's alright. But he's adorable, and so is her. But I'm gonna do Harry Potter Mystery Funko Pop. I already have one. Hopefully it's not the same. I got oh my god, it smells strong. I got Voldemort. When I pulled it out, boy, it stinks. Yeah, that is a very strong plastic smell. But I got Voldemort. Oops. Keep your face. Really adorable. Okay, now that's done. I'm going to do the other one. I got a Disney Funko Pop one. Just like the Harry Potter. I hope I get Wally. Oh my god. What do I get? Oh my god, I got a Baymax! He's so adorable! And I don't even have this, so thank gosh. Because I got right here, I got 2 Cheshire Cats and a Jack Skellington already as a mini. So I got a little Baymax. So adorable. Next, it's like one of these little Disney ones. I got a Toy Story one. What do I want? This is you can get Buzz, Woody, Bo Peep, Jessie, Bullseye, Buttercup, Trixie, Slinky Dog, Mr. Potato Head, and you can get an exclusive A and B. The exclusive it looks like the spider baby and the alien. Where do you open this? I'll just do it on the bottom. Oh, we got Buttercup. Really cute. Very thick, actually, too. Really cute. I like it. I just saw the new Toy Story and Lion King recently, and those two movies are the best. I got one more before the Pokemon pack. I got a Harry Potter one. You can get Harry, Hermione, Ron, McGonagall, Neville Longbottom, Luna Lovegood, a chocolate frog. You can get a little train, the sorting hat, and for the exclusive A and B, you can get the flying key. And this one, it looks like 1 3/4, maybe? I don't know. So let's open. These are hard to open. Oh, sheesh. Let's try from the bottom. I got it. Do I get it? Nope. Scissor time. Scissor time. Oh, that's cute. We got the Hogwarts Express. Oh, that is so adorable. That is so cute. It's pretty heavy, to be honest. It's got like some weight. It's pretty sturdy. Kind of plastic. Rubber. And last but not least, we have this Dragon Majesty Pokemon. We get 1 booster pack and we get 5 cards on the side. Like on the side. Oh, I hate these packages. So here is the 5 cards. We get a Judge. We get Rapidash. We got Ponyta. Ooh, Perfect, actually. We got Grimer. And the last one we got Poniard. Poniard? I don't know how to... Okay, that's the 5 in the back. And on to the booster pack. This one is recycling. We got Dragon Majesty. This one I think is older. Like last year or 2017. They have the date on here? They should, maybe. $2018, so that's last year. So I was like, oh yeah, god damn it. Scissor time again. Dang, these packages. Oh, I don't think I didn't actually cut it open. Cut it open. I'm just trying not to cut the cards. Oh, I'm getting there. These are hard. Sorry, I'm taking my sweet ass time. There we go. Let me get the pieces. I don't know. 2, 3, 4. Okay, making sure it's 4. Okay, the first one we have is a fairy energy. We got Zinnia. Zinnia? I'll just call her Zinnia, whatever. We got Lapras. We got, whoa, Darmanitan. Weird. Aw, and the little Charmander. I like the little designs they do for these. We got Bagon. We got Wishy Washy. We got Phoebus. We got Corsola. Ooh, we got a shiny fire energy. And we got an Altaria. And we got a hollow, is it a reverse or? Yeah, it's a hollow Altaria. Nice. Is this one a rare too? Can you tell? Well, that's cool. I never really got a shiny energy before, so that's pretty neato. I do have the code, but I play the game once in a while, so there you have it. There's all the little packs that I opened, and I got some amazing keychains. Very, very happy. Oh, I forgot that. Does he smell too? No, but when I opened Voldemort, oh my god. Well, he's got a little tough on him. But all the keychains I got, and the Pokemon packs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.